You are about to get screwed over 2 different ways, and you don't even realize that it's going to happen until it's too late. There's a lot of interesting headlines hitting the news these days, a lot of it having to do with oil and the price of that increasing. As a result, that is going to affect the cost of pretty much everything else globally across the board. So you're going to see prices increase in an inflationary way for everything, as well as basic necessities such as your utilities for your house, whether it be electricity or natural gas or diesel fuel for your generator. All of those things you're going to see pressure on, and probably major increases. There are other pressures as well that are going to affect the cost of solar equipment. I've been getting a lot of emails just in the last 2 days regarding this. Shipping costs are going up because it's going to cost significantly more to fuel ships in China in particular, as well as shipping insurance, because shipping insurance rates have just gone through the roof in the last couple of days. So I've been getting notices that we're getting double-digit increases on the cost of goods as well as shipping. But if you act quick, you could lock in current inventory pricing in US warehouses today at reduced rates. So that's why I wanted to just quickly make this video and go through some of my top picks for equipment that you should give serious consideration to getting before your dollars buy less and before you start getting hit secondarily with increased costs of utilities. If you can invest in a robust system now, you can reap the cheaper prices and then insulate yourself against the inevitable price hikes on your utilities. Let's start with solar panels because you can't do much without being able to generate power from the sun to begin with. If you have a local solar supplier, like I do, they would probably be your first stop if you want the best bang for the buck in terms of solar panels. But it does take a little bit of footwork and research and usually driving somewhere to pick them up. And sometimes you need a large vehicle, etc. So there can be a little bit of a logistical challenge. So if you want mega solar power delivered to your doorstep, check out these SunGold 590 watt bifacial panels. Everything I talk about I'm going to have linked in the description, as well as the full videos about them, so you can learn more details. These things are awesome, and the more you get shipped, the cheaper the shipping gets. But even still, just for a quantity of 2, the pricing is not that bad. If you want something a little more budget and not quite as large, you can go with my favorite solar panel thus far from Amazon, the Colsen 200 watt bifacial panel. This thing always punches above its weight and is frequently producing right at what it's rated for and sometimes beyond. And again, the pricing is very competitive for a solar panel that ships to your door with Amazon Prime. It's insane. Power station wise, for whole home power backup and then the occasional need to pick up and move it or use it in an RV or something like that, or just all-around versatility in terms of expansion, power output capabilities, etc., you really can't beat the Bluetti Apex 300. This will run your fridge no problem for an extended period of time. It even ran my whole home air conditioner. It's got a tremendous amount of power and versatility. Definitely the most multi-use functional power station I've ever tested on the channel. Let's talk about batteries. Pre-made server rack batteries. My favorite ones that I've tested so far, available on the market hands down, are the Watt Cycle Metal Fort models. These have very few drawbacks. The best screen of any server rack battery on the market to date. Really nice app control, really nice build quality, internal communications. They're just really nice and are selling for a really decent price. In fact, cheaper than ever for a short period of time here. Wattcycle has provided me with a coupon code that will expire here in the middle of March, but it knocks it down really close to its pre-launch price, which is insane. The Yijing 314 amp hour DIY battery kit, really, really compelling for the offering and its price. You do have to put in a little bit of sweat equity, but for power density and bang for the buck, boy, this is a nice kit. Another one that I really, really love is this EEL battery kit. In fact, it has a few features in it that are nicer than the Yijing that I just showed you. You do get the vertical form factor, which can be helpful for certain people in certain applications, and it comes with some niceties. For example, I included T-class fuse. So not only do you get the nice circuit breaker, but you also get a T-class fuse. So you're doubly protected for overcurrent protection. the compression system in the EEL battery for the cells is also much better compared to the Yijing. So if you're interested in the kind of DIY assembly kits, these two are the way to go. The EEL battery does require a little more assembly, though, than the Yijing, and I think that's how they can afford to give you some of the nicer upgrades for the internals, because they're offsetting the cost of those with savings on labor. EG4 products, whether it's the 12,000 XP, the conduit box, the wall mount battery, the charge inverter, any of those, you need to check out my resource, Payoff Solar. These numbers are a little outdated from when I made this original video, but you can go to Payoff Solar's website and check current pricing. It's very common for people to save multiples of hundreds, if not multiples of thousands of dollars, purchasing EG4 products through Payoff Solar versus Signature Solar. And you can kind of see that here in this comparison. I have a coupon code that saves you 5% on your order. Shipping is very cheap and quite often free from Payoff Solar, just depending on what you order. And you can see at the time making this video, for the exact same configuration, you could get it from Signature Solar for over $7,156, whereas from Payoff Solar, we're talking $6,355. So major savings, and that's even including a coupon code on Signature Solar. So check out Payoff Solar. They are my favorite supplier of EG4 products. They are also the supplier of my full-size residential solar panels. And Payoff Solar will ship those, anywhere across the continental United States, but shipping can get expensive really fast. So if you're going to get like a pallet of 10 of them or something, it makes sense to ship them. If not, then the better thing to do if you want to take advantage of their insanely low prices on solar panels is plan a trip here to Utah, or maybe even live here, and plan on swinging by and picking up however many solar panels you need directly from them for free, tax-free, etc. It is a sweet deal. You can pick up like a 400-watt solar panel with my coupon code for less than $100. It's insane. Honorable mention here, and that is the Starlink Mini. I made a whole video about how I was able to get satellite phone service, unlimited talk, text, and data for only $5 a month, combining Wi-Fi connection with my Starlink Mini on standby mode. It's one of the greatest hacks nobody knows about. So be sure and check that out. The Starlink Mini has been one of the best investments I've ever made for, preparedness, off-grid stuff outside of my solar and power stuff. Communications are key, and it helps a lot. So I'm truly just trying to help you from the standpoint that I'm on the very front lines as far as learning about future, price increases and stuff on this kind of equipment. And so I wanted to get this out there and just give you a heads up in case you wanted to act on it. I'm in no way trying to push sales or anything like that. Sit back, relax, enjoy, don't do anything. I don't care. I just wanted to hopefully get this information out there and let you know changes are coming in case you did want to act on something before the changes took place and it was too late. The links to the stuff down below are affiliate links. Full disclosure, they don't cost any extra for you to use, and it's one of the best ways to support the channel. So I certainly extend a heartfelt thank you for anyone that is willing to purchase anything through those. I'm always trying to bring you helpful, valuable content. Leave your comment down below on if you felt this was helpful. I certainly would love to hear any disagreements or why you don't think anyone should buy anything right now. But before your purchasing power diminishes, I personally think it's a good time to hurry and convert your money that's losing value by the day to something that could actually insulate you against the rising costs. We've always got more epic stuff in the pipeline and a whole bunch of this more educational, informative type content. You guys keep saying this is the kind of content you're enjoying, so please continue to let that show by doing the 5 free things: like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype. And I'll continue to do my best to bring this to you. Stay safe, get prepared, and I'll catch y'all next time.